Hello, welcome to a new lecture. My name is JC Paz, and in this 8th part of the MySQL Server and Tools series, we are building a simple but powerful ASP.NET MVC Visitor app with MySQL as the backend, and also as a complement to the previous lecture. Application Lifecycle. When a user requests visitor index, routing sends the request to the controller. The controller queries MySQL for recent visitors, then passes that data to the Razor view, which renders a bootstrap form and table. When a user submits a name, the controller inserts it into the database and refreshes the view. Deleting visitors uses simple MySQL commands from the controller to keep everything in sync. Let's begin creating a new project. Choose ASP.NET Web Application that includes MVC, and click Next. As the name, type MVC Visitor App. Select the location and the framework, and click Create. From the next list, select MVC, and again create. The next time you will have below of Selection Explorer several folders and files. At this point you can build the solution just clicking the green arrow, and a web application opens so you can see its content. From this main page you have links to tutorials, libraries, and other external sites. As well as internal links such as About and Contact. Now let's add a database to store the visitors. Open the MySQL Workbench. I will open my local host and choose Database Test to create a new table. The name of this table will be Visitors. And is going to have 3 fields: ID, name, and visit time. After creation, we need to install the components to access the MySQL server. Go to Solution Explorer and manage NuGet packages. Search for MySQL.data and double-click. Select Project and then Install. Some changes are going to take place by Visual Studio. Agree to apply and accept. Proceed making changes to web.config. Inside Configuration section, paste the lines that handles the connection to the server. Include the name of the server, the user, the password, and the database. This is all we need to do to make a connection to MySQL. The next step is to add the visitor model. Go to Solution Explorer and click the Models folder to add a new item. Models/visitors.cs. And replace it completely with this new code. Now go to Controllers and add a new item. Controllers/visitor-controllers.cs. And replace it completely with this new code. Now go back again to Views. And add a new folder. Name it Visitor. And inside it, create a new scaffold item. Its name must be index.cshtml. Select the content and replace it by this new content. Save everything and build and run the application. What you can see in action is the visitor index file, showing a table with the registered visitors. Below the list we have 2 buttons to delete the last or delete all. We are adding 3 more. as you can see. Then deleting the last one. And deleting one more. Then deleting all. To finish, let's add one visitor to the site. We have reached the end of this lecture. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe so I can continue doing lectures like this. Thank you and see you in the next.